Okay guys, so let's draw Bulma. So let's choose first the color. Let's see if we like what we have. So first of all, Bulma, she looks this drawing will be in particular would be black and white, but you can imagine that I will draw on top colored on a different layer, but for now we'll just keep it black and white. So first of all, I can draw just initially the face, which is very easy to draw because it's standard anime face, so nothing really complicated. A little ears, they're a little pointy. Even a little bigger, doesn't matter, because it can be through an angle. Then we can draw the lower part of the eyes. This is the top. We can add the hair afterwards, so you don't have to worry that it's not very precise. The nose is very tiny, and the mouth. Okay. The inside, let's make her look to the left. Our left, I mean her right. Super simple. Her neck, because she's a lady, so she has like a skinnier neck than what I would draw for a guy. So all right, so let's say that this is the initial sketch, and I know that her hair would come around this, then a little lost, and maybe here would drop, and it will split in more, and then a little tinier on the sides and around the ear. So it is really, for example, from ReZero RAM, which is the same, RAM is the same, so you don't need to worry too much about drawing this. And what is important is that usually she has some stuff on her hair. Let's say that she has some kind of hair catching thing. I'm not sure how it's called in English, but let's say that this one is dark. Yeah. And her head is kind of like that. Depends if we want to make her with like very long. Yeah. And some part of the hair would go under and over. Yeah. And then the upper part just continues kind of like that. Yeah, and then this, and in other directions. But what's really important is that the hair is like a helmet in a way. Think a bit of it as some helmet. So then make the ear like that, and you can make, I don't know, Bulma, she has stray hairs. I don't know, I don't remember if she has or not. But yeah, and eyebrows, something like that. Just pretty high eyebrows, like something like this. Yeah. And because it's a girl, you can just make this under a bit and over, under, kind of like that. Yeah, like this. and then the clothes you can make, for example, like some pearls. And or you can all kinds of accessories. You can add, for example, this triangular shaped earrings. Yeah. So this is Bulma, and then the color for the hair. The color for the hair is so the eyes are blue. So I'll just make another layer with the colors. So I'll just take. I think her hair is kind of like that. Maybe it's darker. I'm not really sure. I don't really remember. But I'll move this color layer underneath. So this will be the color. Layer 2 will be the color, and layer 1 on top. So I'll be doing this. Yeah. So you'll always have on top okay, this will be black then. So, and the eyes a little bluish, so should be kind of like that. And what else? This will be dark, so okay. Alright, so this is very easy to draw. Then you can make the shadows and so on. But usually this kind of does it. So this is Bulma. This is the first layer, and the second I just made the color for you, but you don't really need to for now. And then on top you can add other stuff, but this is just the first layers, very sketch. It took me 5 minutes to make it. So from here on out you can go into details, of course, but for now this is very quick Bulma. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please tell me if you would like to see something else in the future. Thank you very much, and have a nice evening.